Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We of Group 4 will present the grammar full system. My name is Sukma Ayu Kirana from Titika Mesin Otomotif. Continue with my friend Hawim.
My name is Muhammad Misbahul Khawim. I am from Titika Mesin Automotive. Will continue my friend Wisnu.
My name is Wisnu Gilanjati dari mesin otomotif. Next.
There are types of full system memory. One, con- conventional full system. Two, full injection system. Conventional full system. The conventional fuel system is a system that serves to mix air and fuel, then send the mixture in the from mist to the combustion chamber. Full injection system. Full injection system is technology used in internal combustion engines to mix fuel with air before it is burned. The use of fuel injection will increase engine's power when compared to using of carburetor because the injector makes the fuel mix homogeneously. Existing component in conventional and injection fuel system. Conventional fuel system components. 1. Fuel tanks. 2. Fuel line. 3. Fuel filter. 4. Fuel pump. 5. Carburetor. Components in the fuel injection system are almost the same as conventional. There are only a few components that are new, like 1. Throttle body. 2. Injector. 3. Delivery pipe. 4. ECU. 5. Sensor. Nike pressure regulator. Functions and description of conventional fuel system component. Full tank serves a that baseline fuel which will be distributed by other fuel system components so that can be used as combustion material in again. The fuel tank for fight usually you can on the rear will continue by my friend is Hawim.
Is the example fuel tank. Next. Fuel line. The main fuel line serves to distribute gasoline from the tank to the carburetor. This fuel line consists of hoses and pipes, which are generally placed under the frame or floor of the car, which is protected so that no leak occur when an impact occurs. In the fuel system, there are three fuel lines, namely the main line that delivers fuel from the tank to the fuel pump, a return line that delivers fuel back from the carburetor to the tank, and fuel system lines that deliver AC gas, gasoline vapor from the fuel tank to the one charcoal canister. Next, fuel filter serves to filter dirt or water that may be present in the fuel. This fuel filter is placed between the tank and the fuel pump. There are also vehicles whose fuel filter is located in the fuel tank. Next is the example fuel filter. Next, fuel pump. The fuel pump functions to suck fuel from the tank, then pump fluid up to the carburetor or injector. There are two types of fuel pump that are often used, namely the mechanical and electrical types. Next, carburetor. The function of the carburetor is regulate the amount of air and fuel mixture that enters the engine cylinder. One of the parts inside the carburetor is the air bladder, which functions as a place to mix fuel and air to form a smooth mix. This is example carburetor. Next, function and component description of the fuel injection system. Throttle body. The engine power can be increased or decreased by limiting the intake gas by means of a throttle, but it is usually lowered. The term throttle informally refers to any mechanism that regulates the power or speed of an engine, such as car's acceleration pedal. Next, injector. Another component that is quite important and in its existence in an EV system on a car is the injector, which is where the function of this component is to remove gasoline from the delivery pipe with a very fitting composition using a solenoid. Will the next, my friend Vishnu.
Delivery pipe. This and component which is registered at the end of the gasoline and the main function of the delivery pipe is served into accommodate the gasoline pumped by their fuel pump. Generally, this component is made of hard material because it will be to be the meeting point between the injection and to visual relief. Next, ECU. The ECU or electronic control unit both in the FE system in car is one of the most important part for this FE system to work perfectly because the ECU itself has an important role in offsetting the obtained from sensor component. Basically, in an FE system there are 5 sensor that will have all the that you have in the ECU for processing. The result of this processing will be in the form of weight at getting the time interval which will be directly set to the injector so that the nozzle opens. Next, example. Next, sensor. Apart from the injector, the FA system in car also requires a sensor that will make it work. And you can say the component so that the sensor is the most important part of the operating of L system and the car FE. The reason is the sensor itself is a detection device where the detection result will immediately be evaluated as reservoir for the ECU to determine how long the injector can open. Next, example. Next, pressure regulator. The network pressure in the gas line to remain stable is an important part of performance of the FE system in car. For this reason, in an FE system component in a car, there is a component called pressure regulator. This component will later overcome the excess pressure caused by the full pump or full working continuously. Next,
Attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.